Welcome to the final and fourth installment, or the fourth and final installment of cleaning my vanity. I'm kidding. It's not that epic, but it is pretty cool that I have been able to actually go through stuff. And I did take some of the makeup and I actually kind of put it together for a Mother's Day gift. Not all of it, but some of the stuff I was going to get rid of, that I was like, oh, am I going to give some of this to my friends? So I did give some of it to my friends. And then I did find some skincare stuff that I knew my mom would like. So I put that in with some other stuff that I knew she would use and made a little basket. So yeah, that was cool. So this is the last thing to go over and explain. Now, excuse me. With that is going to be our skincare bag. So this is my skincare bag. So this is the first thing I have, which is from Freeman. Now I will be honest, I thought this was a mask. It is a scrub. So it says apply. It's a mask scrub, but I thought this was like a charcoal mask, you put it on, it gets hard, and it's a charcoal mask. This is the polishing charcoal and black sugar scrub. So it is a mask and scrub combined. I've used it once. I do really like it, but it is, it's a scrub and a mask. So you have to apply the mask to your damp face and neck, avoiding contact with eyes. I will say this though, because when you're applying it, you can feel the sugar scrub. You're kind of like, oh, this is not a face mask. So definitely feels more like a scrub than it does a mask, but it does work. So I got this. I'm gonna try and find the Freeman just black charcoal mask, but I bought the wrong kind. That being said, this was $5 at Five Below, and I've got 6 fluid ounces, and it's really good. So that's that. And these are also things I got from Five Below. These are the charcoal and rose deep cleansing pore strips by Skip the Spa TM. I had to use 2 to try it out. It came with 6. I had to use 2 to try it out because it didn't explain that on the box. It doesn't explain. So it says remove nose strip from package, wash face thoroughly and pat dry after cleansing wet nose. Strip will not adhere to dry skin. But when I first read it, I thought, oh, okay, just dry it and I'll put it on. It did not. And it got messy and it got crazy. And I was like, this is crazy. So this is definitely I got this for $3 actually. I would not recommend this. I mean, it still works. It's a charcoal nose pull peel thing. But I would say that I would look for something different personally. I had to use 2 just to do 1, and maybe that's just user error, but I'll give it. I have 4 more, so maybe it'll change my mind. This was a deal. This is my Spa Life Shimmering Under Eyes Revitalizer. You can use this for 20 minutes, and this is the 24 karat gold hydrogel pads. So this is really good. This just have water, you're able to do this 20 minutes. You do have to lie down with it though, because it's right under your skin and it will move, obviously, like any eye mask does. It doesn't just stick up there. You can't do this while you're doing makeup, for instance. You would want to relax and do these, but I like that a lot. These are 2 I also got from, I think I got these at Five Below, or I may have got them from TJ Maxx. I'm not sure, I don't remember. But I like these a lot. These are the M&G Hemp Oil Hair Repair Masks. And now that I'm thinking about it, I'm pretty sure I got these from TJ Maxx the other day when I bought this. And it was a set. I'm pretty sure, because it came as 2. So I'm pretty sure this was a TJ Maxx find. So this is a moisturizing hair mask. And then this one is the hair repair mask. They smell really good. They definitely work. I had people, this one is hemp oil and this is Manuka honey. They're both by M&G and it's made in Australia, so it's an Australia brand, Morgan and Grace. That being said, I do really like this a lot. I like to do a hair mask every about week or so. And like, it was very noticeable. Like, one of my coworkers at my job, who was a guy, even was like, did you dye your hair? And I'm like, no, I just did a hair mask. And he's like, well, you can tell. And I'm like, thanks. Like, he thought I had dyed my hair because it brightened up my purple. It's not really purple, but my reddish color that much. Of course, we have my Neutrogena Hydro Boost. The entire set, right? Like, it's not just one thing. We got it all. Okay, this is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel Hyaluronic acid, and then this is for the extra dry skin of the same thing. Love them very much. They're great. I did find these at Five Below for $1. They're also from Freeman. They are just a basic face mask brush, so I do like that as well. Also got this at Five Below once. I think I got this for $4. It's the Hydrating Mud Mask. Definitely recommend that. Just trying to put this all back together. So let's put our Neutrogena stuff in here. Definitely, if you're looking for a skincare and you have dry skin, I want to emphasize this. If you have dry skin, very, very dry skin, Neutrogena Hydro Blast is amazing. I'm not going to give you any kind of statements on if it works for other kinds of skin. I only have dry skin, okay? But I really like it a lot. It's definitely helped me a lot with my eczema, as we have had conversations about that in the past. My hair masks I keep in here, even though it's most of my skincare stuff. I'm actually going to separate that though and put it with my other hair stuff. I also have this that I use every day, and I keep this out. It's my facial cleanser, oil free. Bursting Beads wakes you up. That's just a cleanser I use every morning. Now, of course, you're like, well, you love the hydrated boost. Why don't you use this, like the Boost Hydrating Gel, cleansing gel every day? Okay, this I use at the end of the day. This I use at the beginning of the day. This is for helping remove makeup, impurities. This is more of a wake up, you know, in your face, and I like it for waking up. It smells like oranges, so that's why. Now, what's the mask? That's the little things. Actually, let's put those up in here. Boom, perfect. Actually, we're gonna put the lip stuff. That's a nail thing. That doesn't even go in there. We're gonna put the lip stuff in that little compartment actually as well, because it's lip stuff. So these are all lip balms or lip scrubs. This is actually not. So this is a Sugar Lip Caramel Hydrating Balm. This is the Milani Keep It Smooth Luxe Lip Treatment. Very well, very good. So that's like a drugstore one. If you're looking for a drugstore lip balm, that's really good. The Fresh is you can find it at Sephora. This one is from number 306, my favorite night balm. This is for in the evening, 8 hours overnight. Then this is the La Octane that came in a set that I received for Christmas, and it's just a little lip balm that I carry. Sometimes I bring it with me. This is also from La Octane. This is shea butter. I've used it for my lips. You can also, I mean, it's shea butter, just says 100% natural shea butter, made in France, so you can use it for anything. I've used it for my lips. I've used it for my hands, but mostly my lips, to be honest. And then this is a Wet n Wild lip scrub I found at Five Below for like $1.50 because it was on sale. I think it normally retails at like $3 or something. It smells like watermelon gum. I don't know how else to explain it. It literally smells like watermelon gum, and it is just like something you put on your lips. It's a lip scrub. You guys know how lip scrub works. Oh, and then this is a lip scrub I also found at Five Below, but this was on a different day, and I didn't know I had one still, so I bought that one from Wet n Wild. And this is from Beauty Trends Sugar Lip Scrub. I like this because it's in a tube, which makes life easier in my opinion. And this one is strawberry scented, but it's artificially strawberry scented. Not that watermelon gum is not an artificial smell, but you know, that one is just more berry, whereas that one, it just smells more like, okay, it's like a chemically strawberry. This is Illuminate Milk, which may possibly be bad. I don't think it's bad. I think it just had something in it because I smelled it and it was fine. So that's just like a moisturizing wash off. I had like a bottle of it. It was amazing. I got it full size in a kit that I had ordered, and I was like, whoa, that's so crazy. They sent me this huge thing. Oh my gosh. And I like freaked out to be honest. I'm trying to see how I can sit this all in here so everything fits without fighting with each other. There we go. Alrighty, so basically guys, we have now officially finished the entire vanity with the entire thing. Now that makes me really excited because it's like perfect. Now it's clean, which means that now I can use it more, which I guess is like a lot of times it's not even about, oh, is this clean, is this not clean. It's a lot more about like, oh, is this usable for me now? And sometimes I'm like, sure it is. And then I look and I'm like, something has exploded on my vanity and I can't use it. And I'm like, how did this happen? You know, and I guess we all kind of get that way sometimes about our stuff. You know, sometimes it happens, sometimes it doesn't. But I'm really happy with how it came out. Let me show you. So this is our after, which still has, you know, a little bit of cleanup to do. You know, there's trash that I still have to throw away. But, you know, this is basically it. That's the rain stand, light stand, me. This is a pen that has my name on it. This is actually lash glue. And this is a pen that I had from my old job that was like something that was important for me at one point of time. That drawer is a drawer we're not going to look at because that drawer is my miscellaneous drawer. More than it is a drawer that I use for makeup. It has makeup stuff in it, but it also has like deodorant, hair ties. This is a drawer that I normally keep open a lot. Kind of just throw stuff in here. So, alright guys. I just want to say thank you guys for your patience with this. This was like a really fun thing for me to do today. It needed to be done either way, realistically. And I was really trying to get it done sooner so that way I could do other videos like the review video I did earlier. But I'm definitely going to be showing you some really cool stuff I'm going to be getting in the future. I.e. tomorrow is a slime box coming from Kawaii Slime Company. And I'm very ecstatic about it, guys. I'm really, really excited. I have some toy stuff up here. If you can see, I collect like smushy mushies, and then I also started getting into slime. So I'm really excited. Those are like the two things that I still have that I'm like, yeah, this is so great. So yeah. All right, guys. Bye.